how to log in to Quora account. So if you want to log into your Quora account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply search for Quora, and after searching here you will have www.quora.com, and here you will have the login. So simply click on that login and it will directly take you to the login page. So to log into your account, you can continue with your Google or you can continue with your Facebook, or if you don't have an account, then you can sign up with your email. So if you don't have an account, then you can sign up with these options, or if you already have an account, then here come to the login page and then enter your email address, and after entering your email address, here you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. Click on forgot password, and then you have to enter your email address to reset your password. Click on I'm not a robot, and then click on submit, and you will get a link or a code to your email address so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on login. Click on I'm not a robot and then click on login. And after clicking on login, you will be logged into your account. That's it. That's how you log into your Quora account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.